Hey guys, it's Forrest. So right now it's 11:58 p.m. Yeah, 11:58 p.m. 2 minutes until midnight, because we're celebrating Lunar New Year with my family. So we're watching the Chinese show downstairs. Tomorrow I'm going to be having a competition, the West LA Winter Cubing 2020. So yeah, I'll be doing 3x3 and Scube. We'll see how I do. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy Lunar New Year! Everybody! Happy Lunar New Year! Woo! It is officially Chinese Lunar New Year. So we're going to be eating some tang yuan. Anyways, after eating that, we're going to be heading over to our competition. Since I can't wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning because I'm too tired, I'll be arriving there just before the first 3x3 round. So that should be good. Alright, see you there. We're here at the competition now. We're going to be entering. The competition is all the way in the back, so we're gonna walk over there.
Just keep walking, and then the bathroom will be in this building. You don't have to worry about it.
So, do I just write my name here? Okay. Date? Okay.
Alright, cool. So you're set.
Okay.
They're gonna. What group are you in for a 3x3?
1.
Okay, so they'll just announce group 1, 3x3,
Okay.
and then you can just go up.
Got
Same
it.
thing
Okay.
as Scoop.
Okay, thank you. Yes, it's the XS.
Oh yeah.
The logo fades off. It faded off.
You wrote the. Yeah, this is just the X.
That's the X?
Yeah.
That's cool. So I have not touched my Scube for the past 3 months, and now I'm gonna be seeing if I can actually solve one. Okay, let's do this. Oh.
Here, I'll post a video.
Huh?
I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel.
I used to practice Scube a lot, but then now I didn't.
Is that the only one you have?
Yes, it's the only one I have. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. 16 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, group 1. Group 1 is starting. All right, we're ready.
Tell me when you're ready.
All right.
Ready? Eight seconds.
Alright, now that 3x3 round 1 has started, if you are interested in a shirt but have not ordered one online or paid for one, all of the remaining shirts are now available for purchase there.
Not bad. 18 seconds. Not bad. It was okay, I guess.
Eliana? Nice.
Now that was quite sudden, from a sub 19 to a 13. That was pretty good. So I got a shirt, and that's interesting.
Depends on who's
That's very interesting.
out.
did not break to second round for 3x3. I just did Scube and I just judged. For third round. Well, I just found out that I did not break in Scube final, so now I'm going to be heading back home. This place is pretty cool. They have a gymnasium over here. As you can see, that is the place where I competed. So when I was judging in Scube, this guy, I judged him and his Scube, he got like an 8. And then the next solve that I judged was also him, but the cube wasn't scrambled. So he was like 0.435. So that was really, really interesting. And then while I was judging, while I was waiting for a cube to come over, I saw another guy like just right in front of me. His cube was like 44.9 degrees off. So like they had to have like a bunch of delegates and a bunch of people come over to see if it was a +2, and they were taking a long time. And then coincidence, the next solve that I judged was him. And then what happened was he arrived late, so I was the only one remaining, the only judge remaining. And since when everybody was done, he was only on his second solve, I judged his last 3 solves. So this is pretty funny. Yeah, and now we're gonna be heading back home because I don't have any other rounds to do. All right, see you. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say thank you for staying with me this entire video. It took a lot of effort to make this video, and even though I didn't break, it was a really great experience to help judge and really meet new cubers and have different experiences. If you're considering going to a competition, I hope this video helped you to see what a competition is really like. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace.